In this video, we will demonstrate how to access the drain line flow control. First, remove the red clip that is holding the drain line elbow in place. Then wiggle and pull the elbow out and away from the control valve body. This green plastic disc that you see within this elbow is the drain line flow control. Next, clear any possible debris or buildup from within the drain port of the valve body. In order to access the plastic flow control, use a pick tool to pluck it out of the elbow. Be advised that there are different colors related to the drain line flow control, and each color represents a different flow rate size. For this example, we're using the green 2.0 gallon per minute drain line flow control. If you're unable to clear the flow control of any debris or buildup, it is imperative that you replace it with the exact same color and size removed from the elbow. These flow controls are precision engineered for each specific unit. In this case, please replace the component with a green 2.0 GPM flow control. Note that there's an O-ring on the end of the drain elbow. If it is torn or pinched, we recommend replacing it with a new one. Leaving a damaged O-ring in place may cause a leak from the drain port. Next, unthread the nut that holds the barb fitting in place along with a rubber washer to see all the components that make up the drain line elbow assembly. Then place the barb fitting and washer back into position and thread back onto the elbow. Ensure that you apply a thin layer of silicone grease onto the O-ring before placing it onto the elbow. Note that the plastic flow control has two sides and is designed to fit into the drain elbow in only one specific orientation. To install it, place the smaller circle end into the elbow and then simply push the flow control into place. Then push the drain line flow control elbow assembly back into the valve body port and secure it in place with the red clip. You have now successfully inspected the drain line flow control assembly.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.